Hello, my name is Hugo Sena. I'm a lead character artist and I live in Reunion Island near South Africa. I was about to say near Montreal, that's where I lived before. So some of you guys know me because I already did some workshop for Art Heroes and I'm the type to talk a lot. So for my project with Art Heroes, for the likeness program, I chose to Snelda from the show Barbarians and I don't know, it was kind of love at first sight. I was browsing Netflix and I saw like this portrait of the character with the eye patch and everything all really like super wild like, and I was instantly like, I need to make this character in 3D. And it took me like the duration of the course to make it. I can't remember how much it is, but I usually have difficulties with projects that are too long, so I try to keep it short. But at the same time, I knew I needed to work a lot on it just to get better at the likeness. For me, I think the biggest challenge was all of the beginning phases. So I knew the process and knew what we had to do, but I always fell short because I wasn't patient enough to just get the initial phases right. So with the help of the community and Marlon and Farid, I really tried to push as much as I could the first detail, the shapes, just the basic without any details, because all of the detail paths and all of the texturing are things that I already know how to do, but getting the initial likeness, like the face feel right without any detail, that's the main thing I was like. And I think like it really came down because the character that I had face paint and everything, so it was a bit difficult to get the right feeling until I was like applying some kind of face paint myself, and I was like, oh yeah, this is starting to look like a character, and that's why I knew I was on the right track. It's very funny because I'm not sure how much this is the same like answer as everybody, but for me it was like discovering how patient I can be, how patient I should be when making these characters, and also like while following the courses, I was seeing how much difficult it is also for other people, like even Marlon or Farid, and I realized it's just difficult for everybody, just not me. So that was like kind of a boost in confidence. Like I wasn't like too bad at it. It just I needed like more push and more patience, and that I needed to know that it's difficult for everybody that already helped me. Like, okay, so me too, I can do it.